up here, 8,000 feet in the backcountry. Hiked in like 8 miles last night. It was pretty cool. 2 feet of snow. Oh, don't mind me. Sorry about that, yeah. Apparently there's a road up here. We hiked in 8 miles from the back. Camped next to this nice game trail right here. Thought it was all piled down. Deer traveling up and down. Come find out, you can drive. So, keep that in mind for next year. Getting ready to be shooting light in about 20 minutes. We're going to climb up this hill. It's going to be a quick hunt. We're going to shoot a big 4-point over here. And we're going to come back and we're going to kill the rest of these bush lights and critters lights. And then, yeah, we got one more night, so we're joining the pumpkin patch today, boys. Alright, let's get it. Can we get a early morning update? Yeah, so we climbed up the steepest face in the morning, which is usually right off the ridge. And I think we were 5 minutes too late. Got up to just getting ready to crest over in the backside of this bowl. And this gentleman down here shot himself a nice buck. I can only see the frame, but definitely something I would put my tag on. Congratulations to that dude. Thank you for weeding out the small one. Now we're gonna go shoot the big one. Just kidding. We knew it was coming in.
Yeah, we just like to pick our hunting areas off of the most pressured. Just to make it more challenging.
That's actually not an incorrect statement.
Where's the most amount of people gonna be that piss us off? Okay, let's go there. Let's go there.
To the top.
I seen the one doe and then another body laying in the exact same spot as before. But I couldn't tell if it was a doe or not.
Down here.
Yeah, where we spotted that doe this morning. And then I heard a gunshot, Sounded like it came from where our truck's at.
Oh, just on the back side?
Yeah. And then there's two just went off down there.
One just went off over there.
Yeah. So that either tells me deer are moving or people are glassing.
I was even glassing up into the
Burn.
dark stuff over there.
Yeah, I was too. I told myself though, I was like, if I glass one over there,
It better be.
I'm not. I was like, well, I said, I'm not telling Chase unless it's a shooter in my book. Yeah. Well, that's another thing. We're only hunting a day and a half. If we shoot a decent, either small 3-point in a day, bro,
Yeah, that's good.
that's good hunting.
Seeing deer. Seeing deer. There's obviously deer getting killed around us.
Yeah. I heard some sticks break off the side down on the bottom here.
Yeah.
And I was like, but it was right when the wind picked up, so I didn't know if something winded me and I was pushing it, or if a stick just fell out of a tree. You know how it is, a head starts playing games.
Yeah.
Is that a buck?
I saw the dude running before I saw the deer.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. I seen him take off and I'm like,
What's he doing? And then I saw the deer jump.
because I heard like that. Yeah. I don't see him anymore.
I figured we'd sit on this point. It looks like a pretty good vantage point for that range over there, so just fucking sit down and watch and wait.
Yeah.
Try to walk down our territory.
There's a little like oak brush type, like thick underbrush stuff. I always like it.
We didn't jump to the rest, did we?
Yep. You hit him. He's.
This is my first shot.
I think so. You hit the tree.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, a branch fell. You hit him.
The second time now.
Yeah, I think he just went down. I see
Big buck.
flashing over there.
Did that just happen? The buck, dude. Bro. I just looked down. I was like, there's a deer right there. I pulled my scope up and I just saw a big 3. I was like, big buck? He just stood there.
Oh, he's limping. He's limping back down the hill. See him? See him? Okay.
I hit him in the front shoulder.
Yeah.
He's 3-legged.
Yeah, he was hobbling hard.
No. Did you see the other buck?
I see the body. I didn't see any antlers though.
I thought it was you coming down to like below me trying to catch it. I looked up and there's a buck just.
Cause he's right there.
Smaller 3-point.
Weird. Weird.
What the fuck? It's the biggest buck I've ever killed.
This one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, boy. Don't worry, I never turned the camera off, so I got you running around and fucking
Catching him going down the hill. I was like, do I grab this deer? I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna catch him at the bottom.
Yeah, well, I was thinking, I don't know where the road's at. I think
It's way down there.
it's way down
Maybe
there.
it's better just to walk up to the finger. Buck down, baby.
Buck down. Buck down. Hell yeah, I'm gonna turn off the video.
Right.
We'll take some pictures.
Damn.
Look at that.
Good. What a beaut, man. What a cool little 3-point. Just a barely a 3 on his other side. This is all I saw out from the tree.
What a beaut.
It's a good buck.
He looks fat.
He does look fat.
Should have shot a smaller one, easier to pack out, man.
Yeah. I couldn't believe when I looked in my scope and he had I saw antlers. I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And a good one. Just relocating down to a new glassing knob, didn't even make it there. Had the 4 weirdest does cross right in front of us and then took 2 more steps and this dude was just standing down below. His little buck buddy let us walk down and then he come hopping down after I stopped him from rolling down the hill. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
At least it's still daylight.
He stinks.
He does stink.
He stinks.
Big stinky butt. Right on, dude. Packed up, head back to the truck, just up and over the ways.
Is that 12 miles?
12 miles. Got them all loaded up.
Legs are burning. Can't wait to get back and drink some bush nasties.
Bush nasties.
Ooh. See you at the top. Buddy. Right here.
Another mile to the truck or so?
Another mile to the truck.
Just kidding. It was about a mile in total. Not a bad pack out. Made it back with a tiny bit of daylight left, so it's a miracle.
That doesn't happen very often.
Miracle and a blessing, if you ask me. I think we're about to go probably fire up the grill, cook a tenderloin, and have a couple bush lattes.
Yes, sir.
So we'll check in with you with the post-game interview around the dinner table.
Got some making some ramen and some inner back straps. What's your Yelp review, Bobby Bix?
I wouldn't come here again.
No?
Yeah.
Tenderloins aren't the same over here.
Yeah, it's pretty trash. I would just stay out of the forest if I was everybody else.
Yeah.
Leave it for the peasants, you know.
Yeah, make sure you leave Eastern Washington alone. They ain't got that good back straps. Don't even waste your time. Oh. Alright, all packed up, ready to go.
Huh?
How was the trip?
It's terrible. Didn't see any deer. Ran out of beer. Weather's been terrible. It's been hot. It's been rainy. Lots of snow. Can't walk. I would never go to Eastern Washington if I was any hunter ever. That's all I gotta say.
Pumpkins everywhere.
Oh yeah, lots of hunters. Don't know why there's no deer. Haven't seen a single thing. 3 days now.
Saw a moose.
A moose.
A sheep.
A sheep. Some horses. Bunch of pack mules. That's about it. What about you? What'd you see?
It's gonna zoom in on my face. At the case.
That's perfect.
Right there.
Yep. A little closer. That's the one.
We haven't seen nothing. Not a dang thing.
Oh. Now we're gonna go home, go to Safeway, get us some pork tenderloins. Say we shot a pig in the mountains.
Worst grouse hunt I've ever been on.
Worst grouse hunt we've ever been on. No, relax, Robbie. Freaking awesome. 1 day hunt, can't ask for anything better. 1 shot, 1 kill. 3 shots, 1 kill.
That can't count.
That can't count.